In my last video, you would have seen that my favorite car, the white AU Falcon drift car, got defected. In today's video, we're going to be covering the lessons I've learnt from this whole experience, especially being a defective Falcon driving, key banging P-plater.
I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody.
Before you go and roast me in the comments, let's go over what I've actually learned. In the previous video, we went over everything that was defective on my white AU Falcon drift car. Now, however, today we're going to be introducing a new car to the channel, another AU Falcon. Let's see it. The car on the channel is a car that I've had for a few months now, and I've done quite a lot of work to over this time. And to be honest, I'm actually quite proud of this car. So here it is. Another AU Falcon. The idea behind buying and building this car was to create a vehicle that's under the radar, looks really clean, drives amazing, and is also capable of drifting. This AU Falcon was T5 manual swapped by me and a few of my mates. We smashed it out. Here it is. This AU is also lowered on some HSD front coilovers, the same exact ones that I'm running in my drift car. And at the back, it has some choppies and shortened shocks, which do feel okay. However, they are a little bit floaty, but I'll be changing up the rear suspension really soon. We're gonna do a mint setup. The biggest thing with this car is I wanna keep it under the radar. So I still wanted to have a bit of presence on the road. I think in the last video, I did a pretty good job of explaining the things that I got defected for. So I'm going to be showing you guys that it's still possible to have a modified car without having to go that next step and making your car illegal. The officer also defected my white car for being too low. Now this car clears 10 mil all around. It's legal height. It is slightly lower than factory, but it is legal height. You may notice that this Falcon also doesn't have -7 degrees of negative camber. So initially, I'm going to start off by taking off the tickfids off the back of the white AU, and then we'll get stuck into the blue AU. The wheels that I'm choosing to go onto the back of the white car are these. Black Steelies that have been slightly skidded on by my good friend RexH, but since the car doesn't go on the road anymore, doesn't matter. Oh my god, this thing looks like a full-on burnout skid car now. This is absolutely disgusting. Rank black stocky on the rear, tough FGX wheel on the front. I reckon the AU looks sick now. Honestly, it looks so much better with matching wheels. No more mismatched skidder type car. Yeah, I'm so stoked. And shout out to my boy Nathan Pakin. He lent me these tickfids while his EF is off the road, and I'm loving them so much that I'm either gonna offer him money or buy my own ones off Marketplace. Clean, respectable vehicle. And then over here, we have dirty, dirty drifter. So one of my favorite things about this car, the blue AU, is that it drives like a normal car. It could literally be a manual Toyota Camry and you wouldn't even know. Now, depending on which tires you have on the back of the car, the weldy is not even too bad, to be honest. The tires that are on the tickfit wheels, I can honestly barely even feel them. Now, another thing about keeping this car pretty much stock is the fact that all the features still work. It still has aircon, still has cruise, still has steering wheel buttons, radio still works. You know, the white car was really fun to drive, but it was really lacking a sense of luxury to it. My apologies, it's really loud here, but we're currently at a local car wash, and because I'm lazy, we're gonna take the AU through the automatic car wash. Now, it's not one of the one with the brushes, it's a touchless one. You know, just to make it look nice and to celebrate the fact that we're starting to make this thing an immaculate, good looking car. We just finished up at the car wash. And the AU looks sick.
Yo, what's up, dudes? It's RexH. I hope you're enjoying Peter's content. Peter can't come to the camera right now because he's actually working for me. He's slaving. Thank you, Peter.
No worries.
Oi, faster. Oi, did you mess that one up? Oi.
A deduction.
So Peter and I are sort of working together a little bit with his channel because we want to get him on the map. Peter has been a long-time supporter of my content, so I thought the best thing for me to do would be to help him out, get him through the first few videos. I don't know, just help him out as a content creator because it's actually like a lot of fun, isn't it?
I love
Recording.
it. It's good fun. I just need to get better at it.
Yeah, you do.
To end off this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the moment that started my love for AU Falcons and for drifting. It's all because of Rex. I love and hate him very much because my fleet is purely Falcons. But here's my first ever skid. Literally first ever skid. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.
Peter! Alright, so this is Peter's first donut in the AU. Here we go. Letting him use my tires. Oi, Michael, that's his first donut. Huh? First donut.
Now, Peter!
Yeah. Oh, again, Peter, again. Yep.
Peter driving?
Yeah,
what the? I didn't even know how to drive this, brother!
Crazy.
Thank you so much.
Hey, so that's all good.
One more to the AU clan now. One this week. We're gonna be like, hey guys, there's a new car on the channel.
Oh, another one.
I'm so stoked, honestly.
Oh,
Cheers, thank you so
I'm
much,
convincing
bro.
you to buy drift cars. Man's loving it. He's loving it. Yeah, you were going good at the end. A lot better, yeah.
I've started feeling like getting a feel for the steering.
Yep.
And like how you have to like turn in and then sort of not modulate the throttle rather than like trying to flick it yourself.
Legit, yeah, 100%.
Because like on my car, because open diff, I have to steer it. Yeah.
Oh, thought that was a car for a second. Nah, good shit, bro.